Welcome to another episode. So this is village life. As you can see, this is village life. What did I get on? So this is the small kitchen. This is a small kitchen. I want to show you inside of this kitchen. So this is how it looks like. So this is what I made a stove. It's me who made this stove, guys. Let's see. You can see this is where you can put the wood here. You can see this is the fire. And then you can see this is where you can also put your pot on top. It's a two plate stove. It's a 2-plate stove. So this is another hole here. Another hole here. You can see this is the ash inside. Yes, and this one is working. This you can actually cook a very delicious food here. You can actually make your nice food here. So it's me who created this in around 2021. Yeah, during COVID-19. It's me who created this and made this. Till now, it's still working. So what you do here, there is no. Someone can ask that there is some bricks inside. There is no bricks here. It's only this is the mud only. Then inside here there is a wire that is crossing over from this side going this side. Then here there is a hole here. There is a hole here which goes inside, and there's an outlet which gives outside the what do you call this? Which gives out the smoke, you know. So this is how it looks like. We call this a summer house. The outlet that I was talking about, you can see. It gives out smoke here. So it is a pipe. You can see the pipe. This is for my mom, who makes the we call this luvalo. Make the chisuo. To make chisuo. How do you make this? So this is what we make. This, you can see. So you can see that we have got a lot of drums here. This is what we use at church. So this is a granary. Inside here there is a lot of food here. Storehouse of food. So this is a granary. This is a greenery. So this is the yard. This is the yard. This is the yard. This is our yard. How it looks like. This is where we stay during the night when we are discussing some issues tonight. This is where we'll be staying here. We actually sit here and stay. This is a source. This is our source of income, where we get our food and generate some source of income, food, money. Yes, you know. So this is our grinding mill. You can see we make sure that we cover it nicely. This is me again who built this building. I built this building. You can see this is how it looks like. This is the outlet of the smoke. Yes. So we have got the gum tree here. We have got the gum tree here. Our crow outside there. That is our crow outside of the yard. Let us greet our goats inside here. Hello goats, hello goats. Yes, this is our goats. Hello, 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 hello. Yes, so you can see the young ones and the big ones. Still, this is our yard. Still, this is our yard. We are still building. We are extending. The yard is too big. So, someone don't know about this thing. This is a yoke. So what we usually do we don't do the big one, the yoke. We actually do the smaller one and the very short. We make it short so that when the oxen are pulling, it becomes easy for them to pull nicely together. They gain power, more power than when you lengthen the yoke, then it becomes so difficult to the oxen to pull together because of the length of the yoke. So you make sure that you shorten this yoke so that it pull together. So this one is now short. This is what we have discovered. You know, a lot of discoveries in life. ducks. Where we put our plates. Yes, welcome to our kitchen. So this is our kitchen actually. You can see we have got the meal. Yes. What's this? Yes, this is our kitchen. Yes. Yes, I want to talk to this. This is our fridge actually, guys. This is our cultural fridge. It's called Kanongo. So this is where we store our water inside here. So what we usually do, we pour water inside this thing, and it keeps cold. It's very, very, very cold. You know, water from the fridge is not good, because if you check clearly, you see that you realize that water from the fridge is not good for your health, for your body. So you need water from this thing. It's called the Kanongo. So it's made up of clay, and this clay is bent and strengthened to strengthen it. So it is placed here, and you pour water inside. So this is where there is water here inside. Let me try to... Yes, you can see. Yes, clean water inside. Very clean water. This is the water inside this clay pot. So it's a very nice clay pot. You can see I can actually get some water inside. You see? So this is how it must be. So don't worry about the top plate that is placed here. You can see that there are some cracks, but don't worry about that. This is village life. So this is a kitchen. Yes, it's for my mom. Yes, so this is how it looks like. You know, there are a lot of stuff that they put here around, and these are the pot that we use here. Size, they've got some sizes. So this one actually fits very well when you put at my stove that I was showing you guys. It actually fit nicely because it has got this the bottom line, which has got a very cycle. And as I was showing, this is the chisuo. What you call this one is called chisuo. So this is there is some cow dungs here, which has been painted inside so that it becomes strong and it lasts long. So my mom makes this. So this is all these ones. This is chisuo that I was telling you. It's mostly used in so this is safer. Same. So this is inchenje, guys. Inchenje. It's a eatable, edible fruit. So this is inchenje. It's very nice. Very nice. This is inchenje. So this is the life that we usually grow up doing this. We grow up eating this. This is our natural food that we always eating.